Hello and welcome to this Profometer Corrosion PM8500 tutorial. Getting started. On completion of this tutorial, you'll be able to set the probe and the electrodes. Please refer to the Quick Reference Guide and the Quick Start Guide, available on the product website for further information for the setup and preparation process. Step 1. Preparation of the electrodes with copper solution. Step 2. If you are using the rod electrode, connect the cables as shown in the image. Step 3. If you are using the wheel electrodes, connect the cables as shown in the image. You will need to mount the wheel electrode to the telescopic rod, and the interface box to the universal holder. Step 4. Turn on the probe by pressing the button for 2 seconds. LED will turn solid green. Step 5. Open the Profometer app to connect the probe. Click Connect. The LED will change to solid blue. Once you are connected, you will be able to check the probe details clicking the Info button. Press the Back button or the Home button to access the main page. Step 6. You can create a new file by pressing Create New. You can also access all your files by pressing Data. In this page you will be able to see all your files. If you want to flag or delete one of your files, slide the file to the left. You can also share or rename the file by pressing More. You can create a new folder for a new project at any time. Now, you know how to set the probe and electrodes, and you are ready to calibrate the wheel odometer.